Hi everyone, welcome to LifeHues channel. Today we are going to unbox Winsor&Newton Cotman watercolors, which is a 24 half pan set. So this is the first time I'm going to use this brand, and this is also the very first time that I'm going to use such expensive watercolors. What I've come to know is what makes this so special is that they use specific pigments, and basically they are known to be very vibrant and transparent in colors as compared to other brands, and it also has this certification by ACMI, which is Arts and Culture Material Institute, and this basically means that it is toxic free. So let's start unboxing it and see if, and later we will also do some swatches to see if actually they are transparent and vibrant in visuals as many people have recommended it to be. Let's check out. I think the set comes with a, I think it's a plastic box with a pamphlet where they're describing what exactly the Cotman watercolors are in different languages, and this is what the box looks like. So let's try and open it. So as you can see, the box contains 24 colors, and it comes with a brush. And it also comes with a palette which can be fixed here, I assume. Yeah. So this is the palette to mix your colors, and I think this is pretty much very good when you're traveling. This is a pretty compact set. Just to show you the size comparison, it is a little bigger than my hand. The colors are really vibrant and they move through the paper really well. Let's see, I will use these colors for my paintings. Try and put up another video just to show how the mixing works and how it looks in the form of a painting rather than just swatches. Hope this helped, and hope you liked this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.